project on the turbo, Rennis's build. So yeah, get back to you when I get to the guy's place. All right, just arrived at the place, man. Picking up the intercooler and things, but guy works on Mustangs and stuff. Gonna give him a little shout out. I know you probably don't want to say much.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
This is John. He's our wiring guy. We call him Sparky.
All right, Sparky.
So yeah, I specialize in Mustangs. Work on a little other stuff. Do custom stuff, paint, body. We stay pretty backed up.
SVP.
Yeah, SVP Unlimited. This is my own car. This is an old '78 Lincoln Town car. That's just gonna be our lunch cruiser.
Okay.
It's pretty clean. We just picked it up and doing some maintenance stuff.
Okay.
Doing an EcoBoost build on that car.
Oh yeah.
The motor blew up.
Four-cylinder build?
Yeah, 4-cylinder turbo. We're putting one of the BNR 600s on it.
Okay.
And it's got an EMS built short block. And then we took the head and did some porting on it, whatnot.
Okay.
So that BNR turbo on the first car was tested on that Brian sent off to, made 609 of the wheels out of a 4-cylinder.
Jeez.
So that was pretty good.
Ball bearing turbo?
No.
A twin squirrel?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a 66 Mustang. This was belonged to a friend of mine back in the day, back in the 80s. This was the first Mustang I ever worked on or rode in that kind of gave me the bug.
Okay.
And it sat for a number of years, and he called me and sold it to me about 4 years ago.
Okay. So it's
that's
back
a
in good
driver.
hands.
This over here is an old vintage race car. It raced in California back in the 60s, an A sedan SCCA.
Yeah, you got some true gems off in here, man. True cars.
This is one of my projects. It's a Celine. Of course, my own projects get to sit. I got to work on customers' cars.
That's how it be.
This is another one we're building for Matt. Works with me.
Okay.
I take care of this for a charity, Addie's Big Army. It's an old Michael Waltrip Dream Machine. And it's a Rx8 358. It's a genuine NASCAR. And then once a year, we rent Barber Motorsports Park and give special needs kids rides around the racetrack.
That's tough.
So that comes up December 19th.
That's nice. You have to see about that. Trying to make sure they see the whole car. I'm hitting stuff.
Yeah, this is my 86 SVO, an old Motorsport wide body kit on it.
Okay.
It's got a Cobra IRS. It's a turbo 4-cylinder.
Okay.
It's
Okay. Big boy.
there we go.
Okay.
Custom hood.
Custom hood.
This car was on the cover of Muscle Mustangs and Fast Forwards back in '95.
Okay. It's look crazy, man. Done up well.
This one over here is a '87 LX. It's an old street strip car.
Good meat on the back. Ready for some action still.
So I gotta repaint that. My OCD's
Gonna
picking
get
at
you.
some of the paint on it. So
Hey, when you a couple dollars,
yeah.
send it
Well,
to
I
send
do
it to
paint
your
work,
shop.
but
Hey,
my stuff's last.
yeah.
And then that back there is an old '69 Mercury Cyclone spoiler too. That's one of probably 60 left in existence. An old NASCAR homologation car.
Okay, you guys are true gems off of here, man. True Mustang guy right here.
This one's in the process of being put back together. It's as I get stuff painted. That's a friend of mine's car, old '93 Mustang convertible.
Oh yeah, he gonna have a good.
This one, a '68
right.
Mustang that has been off the road since 1987, and I've done some fix up on it. And I've got to finish putting it together.
Yeah, you got some projects, man.
No,
You got some good projects. This might be a winner right here, though.
like
42, yeah,
Yeah, the running joke on that one is called the Ronald McDonald car.
yeah.
That's what everybody always called it. So I stuck a sticker on the front bumper that says I'm loving it.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, you got a lot of good shit going on, bro.
The heat's not gonna work.
You gotta fix that. What is it?
That's the vent line going in, the vacuum line going.
All right, YouTube, what's going on, man? Q.com coming to you today. Got a good project coming. turbo Rx8. I done already started disassembling stuff. And then I had the turbo, the flange cut, the header flange cut in the downpipe. Right now I got some peak parts that I just got in the mail, major keys to the process. And we about to get started with that. I picked up an intercooler over this past weekend. There's gonna be some footage before this on where I got it from and stuff. So yeah, going top mount, turbo manifold. Really thinking about moving the ECU to a different location and putting a coolant reservoir in this place. So yeah, I'm open up my parts and get back with you guys.
I'll drop this shit, man.
Alright, YouTube, this is stuff that I had come in the box of today. Parts and tools for the turbo manifold that I'm going to be building. Wanted to give you guys an update on the Mazda Rx8 because it's been a while on the content, but I got some Ace Race parts come through the mail. We're going to mock up the turbo manifold. Next video, I'm going to do a little practicing and stuff with the welder because this is going to be my first time ever welding. So yeah, shortly but surely, we're going to start making a little bit more progress on the turbo Rx8 build. I know people been waiting and looking for content from me on that. So yeah, this is where we standing at right now. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on everything. So yeah, get back to you in the next video. All right, new shop workspace, you guys. I forgot to mention it in the other clips. Yeah, so I probably have a better video up of the shop and stuff on my little unit once I get everything in here, but kind of only been in here a smooth week and a half. Yeah, and this how far I got. So definitely subscribe, comment, like, and share. More content will definitely be coming up soon.